The first score is management. Management, people, and culture need a visionary management, especially when it comes to innovation these days, because these companies need to invest aggressively, as Tesla did in 18, 19, 20, in order to capitalize on massive opportunities. And in fact, with AI, it's winner take most opportunities.
Today, Tesla is a $1.3 trillion juggernaut. It dominates the electric vehicle industry, redefines energy solutions, and has made early believers like Ron Barron and Cathie with Billionaires. But back then, Elon Musk was just a man with seemingly impossible ideas, a man laughed at for saying he'd mass-produce EVs, make them profitable, and revolutionize the way we think about transportation and energy. Investors dismissed Tesla as a risky gamble. Yet, those who saw the vision and understood the potential, like Barron and Wood, are the ones smiling today. The rest? They're looking in the rearview mirror, wishing they had the foresight to invest in what seemed crazy at the time. Tesla's story is the ultimate example of how the impossible can become inevitable. But here's the exciting part. The next Tesla-like opportunity is out there. Finding it is hard. Seeing the vision before the world catches on is even harder. But it's not impossible. In today's video, we're diving into 3 companies at the edge of innovation. They're criticized, doubted, even ridiculed, just like Tesla once was. But they have the potential to transform industries, disrupt the status quo, and maybe, just maybe, become tomorrow's trillion-dollar companies. Diving into the 3 companies, please share this video to help our growing channel get more visibility. Let's see if we can get 200 likes, and please subscribe to be part of our community. Thank you. Going into the first company on the list with high potential growth is Standard Lithium Limited, ticker symbol SLI. A company operating in a sector critical to the future of energy, led by a visionary team and positioned at the forefront of a global revolution. A company once overlooked, dismissed, or underestimated, just like Tesla in its early days, and could be the next Tesla-like opportunity for forward-thinking investors. Standard Lithium is positioning itself as a key player in the lithium revolution. Lithium is the lifeblood of the EV industry, powering the batteries that make electric cars possible. Lithium demand is expected to skyrocket with the global push toward decarbonization and the rapid adoption of EVs. Analysts predict the lithium market could grow 10x by 2030, reaching a valuation of over $100 billion. But here's the catch. The world is facing a lithium supply crunch. Current production levels are insufficient to meet future demand, creating a massive opportunity for companies like Standard Lithium to step in and fill the gap. This is where SLI's story begins. Just as Tesla disrupted the auto industry with innovative technology, Standard Lithium is revolutionizing lithium extraction. Traditional lithium mining is slow, expensive, and environmentally damaging. SLI, however, uses direct lithium extraction, DLE, technology, a game-changing method that is faster, more efficient, and environmentally friendly. This technology allows SLI to extract lithium from brine resources with higher purity and lower costs, giving it a significant competitive edge. Tesla didn't become a trillion-dollar company overnight. It built strategic partnerships and scaled its operations over time. Similarly, Standard Lithium has partnered with industry giants like Lanxess, a global chemical company, to develop its flagship South Arkansas lithium project. This project is in one of the most lithium-rich regions in the U.S., with access to existing infrastructure, reducing costs, and accelerating production timelines. Just as Tesla benefited from government incentives for EVs, Standard Lithium is riding the wave of government support for critical minerals. The U.S. government has labeled lithium a strategic resource, essential for national security and the clean energy transition. With policies like the Inflation Reduction Act and billions in funding for domestic battery production, SLI is well-positioned to capitalize on this momentum. Elon Musk's unwavering vision for Tesla inspired early investors to believe in the impossible. Similarly, Standard Lithium's leadership team, led by CEO Robert Mintak, brings decades of experience in the lithium and mining sectors. Their vision is clear: to become a leading supplier of sustainable, high-quality lithium for the global EV and energy storage markets. Tesla's stock was once dismissed as overhyped, trading at just 17, and has since soared over 1,000%. Standard Lithium is in a similar early-stage position. With a current market cap of around $500 million, SLI has immense room for growth as it scales production and secures offtake agreements with major battery manufacturers. Standard Lithium isn't just mining lithium. It's redefining how lithium is produced. By leveraging DLE technology, SLI is addressing the two biggest challenges in the lithium industry: scalability and sustainability. This disruptive approach could make SLI a key player in the global energy transition. The EV market is growing at an unprecedented rate, with companies like Tesla, Ford, and GM racing to secure lithium supplies. As demand outstrips supply, lithium prices are expected to rise, creating a lucrative opportunity for SLI. Mind you, no investment is without risks. Standard Lithium faces challenges such as execution risk, regulatory hurdles, and market volatility. However, these are the same types of risks Tesla faced in its early days. For investors with a long-term perspective, SLI's potential rewards could far outweigh the risks. The question is, will you be an early believer, like those who invested in Tesla before it became a trillion-dollar giant? Or will you look in the rearview mirror, wishing you had the foresight to act? The lithium revolution is here, and Standard Lithium is at the forefront. Don't miss out on what could be the next big thing. The next stock on our list that could define the next era of technological dominance, not on Earth, but in space. Intuitive Machines Incorporated, ticker symbol LUNR. While AI and EVs have captured the market's attention, the real untapped trillion-dollar opportunity lies in space exploration and infrastructure, and Intuitive Machines is emerging as a key player in this high-stakes revolution. Recently, Intuitive Machines secured a game-changing $4.8 billion NASA Near Space Network Services contract, instantly putting it in the spotlight. This contract isn't just another deal. It's a launchpad for exponential growth. With the company expected to capture anywhere from $404.8 billion NASA Near Space Network Services contract, instantly putting it in the spotlight. This contract isn't just another deal. It's a launchpad for exponential growth. With the company expected to capture anywhere from $402.85 billion in revenue over the next decade. For a company with a current backlog of just $316 million, this contract is nothing short of transformational. The significance of this deal goes beyond numbers. The global space economy is accelerating, with NASA and private enterprises racing to establish a sustainable human presence on the moon and beyond. Intuitive Machines is positioned at the heart of this movement, providing essential communication, navigation, and relay services for near space and deep space missions. As humanity pushes further into space, companies like Intuitive Machines will be indispensable. What makes this even more exciting is that this isn't speculation. It's already happening. While Tesla built its empire by challenging the auto industry from scratch, Intuitive Machines is riding a government-backed space boom. The capital investment, the infrastructure, and the contracts are already in motion, and the company is set to capture a massive share of this growth. For investors looking beyond the obvious, those seeking the next Tesla-sized opportunity, this could be it. The future of space is being written now, and Intuitive Machines is positioned to lead it. Finally, the third stock on our list is a high-growth tech stock flying under the radar. Allot Limited, ticker symbol ALLT. One of the biggest hidden gems of the decade, this cybersecurity and deep network intelligence company is quietly positioning itself at the center of one of the biggest tech expansions in telecom security, and thanks to a breakthrough deal with Verizon, Allot could be on the verge of massive long-term revenue growth. For years, Allot has been developing cutting-edge security-as-a-service solutions, and now it's finally paying off. The company recently expanded its partnership with Verizon to power its business mobile internet security product, unlocking a potential market of 30.5 million business subscriber lines. Analysts estimate that this could add between 10 million and 18 million in annual recurring revenue by the end of 2025 and more than 90 million long-term. That's a staggering amount for a company that just recently was struggling to gain traction in a highly competitive market. But this isn't just about Verizon. Allot is on fire. The company has already signed major deals with Vodafone, Portugal's MEO, proving that its zero-touch, network-native cybersecurity solutions are in high demand. A quick one before we continue. If you find this video valuable, please share it to help the channel grow, then like and subscribe for more relevant analysis. Alright, Back to the video. With global cybersecurity threats rising at an alarming rate, businesses and telecom operators are scrambling for seamless, AI-powered security solutions, and Allot is one of the few players with the technology and partnerships to capitalize on this megatrend. The numbers tell the story. Allot's cost business is growing at a dropping $695 billion plus untapped gold mine. With Verizon's massive expansion and potential further integrations, analysts believe Allot could be sitting on a 10x opportunity over the next few years. And here's where it gets even more exciting. Verizon's success with Allot's solutions could lead to a much bigger rollout across its entire network. Verizon could bundle Allot's security solutions across its mobile business and consumer internet services as cybersecurity becomes a must-have feature for telecom carriers. This would supercharge revenue growth and establish Allot as a dominant force in telecom security. This could be it for investors searching for the next explosive small-cap tech stock. Allot is no longer a company hoping for success. It's a company that has positioned itself for massive growth with industry giants. As the cybersecurity revolution unfolds, Allot could be at the center of it all. Well, finding it is hard. Seeing the vision before the world catches on is even harder. But it's not impossible. Let us know which of these stocks will make it into your pick by leaving a comment below. See you in the next video.